In this class, we are going to develop a popular iOS and iPadOS mobile app with swipe motion powered by the SwiftUI framework. That said, we will dive into some advanced gesture techniques in this section. The app presents users with a pile of honeymoon destination cards and allows them to use the swipe gesture to like or dislike a card. It could be a great portfolio app that you can show up with confidence in your job interview. By developing this app, we will learn how data binding works in SwiftUI. Next, we will learn how to create our first computed property. Then, how to implement the swiping motion with SwiftUI. After that, how to enhance the animation with custom transitions. If this is something you want to learn, then keep watching.